Okay, so we are back with the nighttime look. I'm going back into the crease with the note to self just to make it more prominent because, I'm going to be messing around with darker colors. And I just wanted to have a consistent, nice neutral blending color there. This is Rumor Has It by Colourpop. It's a Super Shock shadow. I do not think they have it anymore. I don't see it on their site. I'm using my e.l.f. eyeshadow C brush to pat that right on. I'm trying to pat it with a light hand because if you pack on too much, it's not good. It's better less to start with and you build than packing it right on and then you're making a huge mess. So little by little, just packing it on, getting into there. I love how a shadow, kind of like a smoky eye looks with a wing to it, so I kind of extended a bit as well out to the corner, just a tad, and then I just go in with my blending brush and just blend the edges away so it creates that smoky softness around it. I really don't want to see too much kind of lines and edges between the colors, or space actually as well. So you're going to see me blending for a while, and this is actually really important. If you're going to recreate the look, remember to just keep blending and blending till it has that soft kind of edge against it. See, just blending and blending, packing and blending. Blending and extending. And again, I just extended and blended. Just kidding. Food that kind of fell on my face. Yes, I definitely took a break to eat. I'm sorry. I had to. And singing, because I was definitely listening to music. And again, going back under the eye, like I said in my last video, can't forget the under eye, especially with a smoky look. I feel like it brings it all together, so I brought Rumor Has It underneath there as well. I also feel like purple looks great with brown eyes. This is Chod. I actually point to the pink, but it's the black. I'm putting the black with the M524 brush from Morphe and just packed it on the corner and blend it out because I felt like the purple wasn't doing the depth, like the contrast that I wanted, so I had to pop in some black, some actual black, because Rumor Has It is more like a blackened purple instead of like a true black. I feel like Chod was the true black that I needed to really bring some contrast into the look, some real darkness into it. My favorite part is this coming up right here. It's the Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Galaxy palette, and I'm using the Mars on Fire. Holy Jesus. You guys have to see this. I kind of use the e.l.f. makeup mist in it to kind of add on to it because alone I feel like it's a great glitter. It really is. You can see right here, it's a great glitter. But then when you pack on, like when you put on some of that mist, oh man, it just, I think watch, you guys are gonna see it. Yeah, I had to laugh because my sister and my best friend were there and they were like, oh my God, it's so pretty. And it really was. Even I was just like, wow, it's so pretty. But now look, I'm gonna go ahead and I'll spray some, like the brush, with some makeup mist and then pack it on. It makes a world of difference. It really just packs it on. Yeah, I just said whoa. See, with the makeup mist, I think you can use like the MAC setting spray or that mist, whatever kind of mist, to try to like thicken it a bit, so it'll give you that layer where it's not as light and more of like a opaque glitter. Pop that right in the inner corner and just bringing it out into the center so it looks more gradient. And then I will be bringing some of it as well in the bottom area. I don't want to do it too much, but just to be, you know, just to mirror it, just to be consistent with the look. And now I'm brushing away the powder that I put there so that if any glitter fell, it could be brushed away. And this right here is the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. And I'm going in and making a true black dark cat eye for this look. Almost poked my eye there, but it's okay. I'm pretty sure all of us struggle with, you know, the cat eyes and liners. I know I definitely still do. I get nervous every single time I have to do liner. Getting that sharp as line. Oof. And yeah, you can see the brown, the purple made my eyes, the brown pop. Right here, I'm just showing you real quick the Ardell Wispy. I had already put it on the other eye, but just figured it might show how I kind of struggled with the lash myself, but just got them on anyway, if anybody wanted to see that, just in case. Oh, and right here you can see the brown as well that I was talking about with making the eye color naturally pop. We're using purple with brown eyes. Okay, I'm coming in with the highlighter. And it's the Anastasia Beverly Hills Sun Dip Gold Glow Kit. And I went in with the Morphe M438 to mix up dripping in gold and bubbly and popping that right on my cheeks. Well, my cheekbone, my high cheekbone area. A little bit of my forehead, making that nice C shape, hitting the high points of my face. Oh, look at that glow, look at that shine. Oof. Right here, I'm just spraying my face with the Too Faced 3-in-1 finishing spray. There you guys have it. Self-love is the source of all other loves. Well, thanks for watching, guys. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.